Dear friends, welcome to DB Infotech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install ORCA 6 in Ubuntu and also how to run a test calculation in Ubuntu after installation of ORCA 6. These are the two things we are going to learn from this video, so please watch up to the end. So there are several steps there to install ORCA in Ubuntu. Step 1 is download the ORCA software, and step 2 is installation of Open MPI for parallel running. Step 3 extraction and installation of ORCA 6. Step 4 is adding variable to base RC, and step 5 is run a test calculation. So these are the 5 steps we need to follow to install ORCA in Ubuntu. So first we will see step 1. Step 1 is download ORCA 6. So earlier I have uploaded one video how to download ORCA for Linux and Windows. So please watch that video. I will show you now that video link. So this is that video. So how to get ORCA 6 for Windows and Linux. If you watch this video, you will understand how to download ORCA 6 for Windows and Linux. So please watch. So this is that video. So go to ORCA forum portal, just log in and you will get your ORCA software. So this is the things. Then step 2 is parallel running. So we need to install Open MPI in our Linux machine, that is Ubuntu. So first I will show you that downloaded ORCA 6 in 6 software. Then we will do step 2. So this is the ORCA 6 software I have downloaded. So this is the ORCA 6.11 Linux x86-64. This Open MPI. So the extension is .tar.xyz file. So we need to extract. I will tell you this later. So this is the downloaded ORCA software from that website. So first we need to install Open MPI for parallel running. So this is the very important. So for that, just go to terminal. So for parallel running, just I have mentioned that text here. Copy this text and paste there. Just copy. So paste it here. Just press enter. Then this will ask password. Just you can type your computer password. The installation starts. So it will finish very fast. So actually I have installed already this Open MPI in my computer. That's why I say showing that 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed. Okay. So if you have newly installing, that will show is newly installed things. That's all. So now we have installed Open MPI. Now we will go to step 3, extraction and installation of ORCA 6. So to extract the things, just you need to mention tar-xf, then file name. That's all. Just enter. It will extract this file. So I will show you that how to extract this downloaded ORCA 6. So just open new terminal. So go to your the folder containing path. This is the software containing path. Just you can copy that one. Paste it and enter. So this is the one. So now we are going to extract this file, ORCA software. I will just copy this things. So to extract that file, just you can mention tar -xf. This is the software file name. The extension is .tar.xz. If you have this kind of file, just you can use a tar-xf. So that's all. After entering everything, just you can press enter. So now the extraction is started. So the new folder created here, this is the extracted file. Yeah, I think extraction is completed. So this is the extracted ORCA. Now we have to move the extracted file to an installation directory. For that we need to go to that bin directory. So you have to make one new folder. So I will tell you that. So this is the extracted one. Go to user, so and bin. So here you can also create manually one folder in name like ORCA 611. So I already created this folder here. So I copy pasted all the extracted file to here. So just you can see. So this is the extracted file. Just you can Control J and copy. So make one file in that bin folder. So that is ORCA 611 and paste it. So I already pasted here. I did not again paste it these things. So that's all. So make one folder in the path of home, that sec user bin and slash and ORCA. This is our folder. Create one folder like this and just paste all the extracted files into here. That's all. The installation completes. So this is our installation locations. So now we have completed step 3. So extraction and installation. The first we did extraction, then extracted file. We copied extracted file into the installation directory, that is bin. So this is the path. So just you can see this is the path. We have installed our software in this directory. So this is the third step. Now we are going to do fourth step. This is the more important step. So we need to type this thing into the bash src. So this path is very important. We need to mention here. So what you have to do, just type nano these things here in your terminal. Then you can copy this everything and paste it here. So this is actually my installation directory path. So if you are in installation, so you have to put your installation directory path. So here may be different, may come here. Just you can check these things. So accordingly you can change this path and you can paste it here. This 3 line is enough for ORCA this variables. So first you can see export path equal to the, you have to mention path here up to here, and in second line you need to mention path here, and here third line also you need to mention ORCA home sec user bin ORCA 611. This is the folder name. So ORCA is the software, starting software name. So if you are running calculation, ORCA will start from here, ORCA. So you need to mention these things. These are the 3 important things. So you need to mention. So I will show you in my best src where I copy pasted these things. Go to new window. So this is our new terminal. So just you can copy paste this. enter. So if you come down here, you can find my ORCA installation variables. So this is my ORCA, that variables I have mentioned in that base RC. So just you can see, so 3 line I mentioned, export this path. This is the path of our ORCA installation folder. Then again we have mentioned this ORCA, the pathway. So third line also I have mentioned that ORCA pathway. Based on your path, just you can change accordingly this. So don't blindly use this one. This is actually my computer path. So that's all. After copy pasting this, you can save and close this terminal. That's all. So everything I installed there, written there. That's why I am closing that. So now we have completed that installation, everything. So now we will test the calculations. That is the final step. So step 5 is run ORCA test calculation. Just you will run, you will see running or not. So this is my test calculation folder. So I already tested, that's why just I remove other files. So this is that water input file. I will open with the text editor. So this is that simple ORCA input file. So here you can see I have mentioned that n process is 4. So this calculation will take 4 cores to complete this optimization of water molecule. So just we will submit these calculations running or not with the parallel. So we have also installed Open MPI for parallel running. That's why we will test this calculation will use 4 cores or not, and we will see if they are getting any error or not. So just you can copy this path, go to new terminal, paste that path. So this is our input file. Here what you have to type, just you can type orca h2o.inp. So the symbol and h2o.out. So while submitting your calculation in Linux, just you can type orca h2o input file, the symbol and h2o out. That's all. That just press enter. So I think our calculation is running. Just we will go to that folder and we will see. So this is that calculation folder. During that calculation, the lot of temporary file will generate. After completion, so automatically will be removed all the temporary files. So it's running. So please, I think completed our calculation. So see, our calculation is completed. So now we will check that. This is the water in output file. Just I will open with the text editor. So this is the one. So we will see the calculation. So this is actually input file what we have given. So here we mentioned n process is 4. The geometry optimization parenthesis. So we will see that the calculation use 4 core or not. So actually this calculation uses 4 cores parallel MPI process. So our we have did installation correctly. So our test calculations also running properly. The calculation uses 4 parallel cores. That's all. So we will go bottom and see the calculation successfully completed or not. So here you can see ORCA terminated normally. That means our calculation completed normally. So there is no error. That's all. So this is the this is the way to install ORCA in your Linux. Just follow these steps and install or run your test calculation in ORCA. So this is very simple and easy. I will share this list of things also. So just you can copy paste and do it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friend and comment and like this video. Thank you. Thank you so much.